If you own a car, this video can save you thousands of rupees because most people are making these common mistakes and they don't even realize it. Let's start with mistake number 1, ignoring engine oil. Many people delay oil changes thinking it's not a big deal, but dirty oil slowly damages your engine from the inside, and by the time you notice, it's already too late. Mistake number 2, driving with low fuel. It may seem harmless, but running your car on low fuel can damage the fuel pump. Over time, this can lead to serious performance issues. Mistake number 3, hard braking and aggressive driving. Sudden acceleration and braking not only reduce fuel efficiency, but also wear out your brakes and tires much faster. Mistake number 4, ignoring warning lights. That small light on your dashboard is not just for show, it's your car telling you something is wrong. Ignoring it can turn a small issue into a major repair. Mistake number 5, not checking tire pressure. Driving with incorrect tire pressure affects handling, fuel consumption, and safety. It can even cause tire damage on long drives. Now here's the truth. Your car doesn't fail suddenly. It gives warnings, but most people ignore them. If you avoid these simple mistakes, you can increase your car's life, save money, and enjoy a smoother driving experience. So next time you drive, remember this video, because small habits make a big difference. Which mistake have you been making? Let me know in the comments.